Good morning, students. Our next episode is D22. D22, and we discuss the chapters, that is quadratic equation, then that arithmetic progression. Third one is triangles. All the problems of that triangles are also theorems with the proof and reason. Then there is another chapter that is an important chapter, that is not simple. That chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. That is our next chapter. That is an important chapter. It is always used for future studies, that is higher studies. These trigonometry results are always essential. Then this one, what is by a triangle? We know that is three sides. In the previous class we discussed all the properties of triangles and also theorems of triangles. Then one angle of a triangle is 90 degree. That triangle is known as a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle there are three sides. One side is base, other is perpendicular to the base, and the third side is against the 90 degree, that is longest side. It is known as hypotenuse. Then base, altitude, hypotenuse. Then there is a relation. We know the result in the previous class. There is a relation between these three sides. That relation is known as Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean relation, and it is the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to square of that hypotenuse. That means base square plus altitude square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square for a right angled triangle. Any two measures are given, we can find out the third measure using this Pythagorean relation, that is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Then any one angle is 90 degree, it is right angled triangle. Therefore sum of other two angles is also equal to 90 degree, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. One angle is 30 degree, other angle is 60 degree, because 90 minus 30. One angle is 45 degree, other angle is also 90 minus 45, that is 45 degree. Therefore that two triangles, that triangle is also isosceles and it is right angle. Therefore that triangle is known as isosceles right angle triangle. Therefore base and altitudes are equal in measure. Then let us consider a triangle, that is triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, which angle is 90 degree? Angle B is 90 degree. Therefore notation for that one is the square, that is 90 degree. Therefore this side is known as base and this one is known as altitude, and the third side is hypotenuse. Then the base relation is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. From figure, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. From figure, BC, that is base, AB, that is altitude, is equal to AC square. Therefore AC is root of BC square plus AB square. BC is root of AC square minus AB square, and AB is root of AC square minus BC square. This is the basic concept to find out one side, then two sides of that right angle triangle are given. Then consider the angle at C, that is theta. That is the notation for angle is theta. Theta is like this, theta. Therefore that is an algebraic, or it is a that is the notation for the angle, that is theta, alpha, beta, ABC, etc. also the notation for angle. Therefore, let us assume that the angle at C is theta, that is an acute angle because it is less than 90. Not equal to 90, it is less than 90. Then the angle at A is what? 90 minus angle at C. That is 90 minus theta is angle at A. Then this BC is base, AB is altitude, and AC is hypotenuse for the right angle triangle. But let us consider the angle at C is theta. Therefore, that altitude is replaced by opposite side. It is opposite side. And the side nearest to that theta, that is BC, it is known as adjacent side. Always hypotenuse against 90 degrees, there is no change for hypotenuse. That means in this right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, the angle at theta, angle at C is theta, that is an acute angle. Then that side against theta is opposite side, side nearest to theta is adjacent side, and the side against 90 degree is hypotenuse. Then there are several trigonometric results. Trigonometry means it is the geometry deals with the triangles and their properties. That is known as trigonometry. The geometry deals with triangles and their different properties being known as trigonometry. Therefore, in this chapter, let us consider several relations or ratios. What is the ratio? Ratio is the fraction with the numerator and denominator. That is a ratio. That is 1:3 gives 1/3. That is a ratio. And there are several trigonometric ratios. These trigonometric ratios are basic. There are 3 trigonometric ratios. They are first basic ratio, that is basic trigonometric functions. Are first one sin theta, SINE, short form SIN, sin theta. That is the first trigonometric function. That is sin theta is the ratio, means numerator and denominator between opposite side and hypotenuse. What is sin theta? That is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypo means hypotenuse. From figure, what is it? AB by AC. That is the first trigonometric function. Then second one is cosine theta. Cosine, COSINE, cosine. Short form cos theta. Cosine theta is, the short form is cos theta. Sin theta, SINE, short form is SIN, sin theta. Cosine theta, cos theta. That is equal to the ratio between adjacent side. That means it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. From figure, it is BC by AC. Okay. Then the third one is the relation between these two, sine and cos. That means the inclination of this hypotenuse is based on the angles with the horizontal. When angle increases, opposite side increases, adjacent side decreases. When angle decreases, adjacent side decreases. That means, for example, this one. That means angle decreases, adjacent side increases, opposite side decreases. Angle increases, opposite increases, adjacent. That means in the reverse process. That means the inclination of that hypotenuse is based on the opposite side and adjacent side. Therefore, that is an important result that important third result is tangent theta 3. That is tangent. Short form is tan theta. That is the ratio between opposite side by adjacent side. From figure it is AB by BC. These are the basic trigonometric functions. Listen, once again we discuss about the trigonometry. Trigonometry means the geometry deals with the triangles and their own properties. In a triangle, one angle is 90 degree, it is known as a right angled triangle. For a right angled triangle, there are three sides on its base. That is perpendicular to the base, it is known as altitude. And the third side is against 90 degree, it is known as hypotenuse. Then there is a relation between these three sides. That relation is known as Pythagorean relation. It is for a right angled triangle, base square plus altitude square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. That is for a right angled triangle. Then let us consider the figure, that is triangle ABC. That is the figure. Right angle at B, therefore it is a right angle triangle. Then BC is known as base, AB is known as altitude, and the longest side AC is known as hypotenuse. Therefore, base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. From any two sides are given, we can find out the third side using that Pythagorean relation. Then from figure, BC is base, AB is altitude, and AC is hypotenuse. Therefore, the Pythagorean relation is BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Then let us consider any angle at C or A. They are acute angles because one angle is 90 degree, sum of other two angles is also 90 degree. Therefore, the angle at C is 60 degree, angle at A is 30 degree. Angle at C is 45 degree, angle at A is also 45 degree. Angle at C is equal to 10 degree, angle at A is equal to 80 degree because one angle is given, other angle is 90 minus of that angle. Let us assume that the angle at AC, assume that the angle at C is theta. That is the general notation. That is a Greek alphabet using in mathematics. That is a general notation of that notation of angle. Therefore, the angle at C is theta. Then that side against that one is opposite side. Nearest to that one is adjacent side. And the third side is against 90 degree, it is hypotenuse. Then from figure, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Therefore, then let us assume that the angle at C is theta. Therefore, AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side, and AC is hypotenuse. Then there are several trigonometric functions for the right angle triangle. There are three basic functions, trigonometric functions of that right angle triangle. They are sin theta, cos theta, ratio between these two, that is tan theta. Therefore, what is sin theta? Sin theta is the first basic trigonometric function. What is it? Sin theta is a ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse. Cos theta is a ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse, and tan theta is the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. That means numerator is opposite side, denominator is adjacent side. For sine, numerator is opposite side, denominator is hypotenuse. For cos, opposite side is adjacent side is numerator and the hypotenuse is denominator. Therefore, from figure, the angle at C is theta for the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Then AB opposite to BC, adjacent and AC hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AC from figure. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. and tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC of the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, and C, the angle at C is theta. These are basic trigonometric functions. Clear? Then what is sin theta? From figure it is AB by AC. Cos theta, that is BC by AC. And tan theta, that is tangent theta, that is equal to AB by BC. These are the basic trigonometric functions. What is by reciprocal? Reciprocal means the numerator and the denominator interchange, we get the reciprocal. That is 5 by 2 is a rational number, then 2 by 5 is the reciprocal. What is the additive inverse? 5 is a number, any number adding with the 5 we get to 0 because 0 is the additive identity. Therefore, that second number is known as the additive inverse of first step. For example, 5 plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5 because 0 is the additive identity. In the case of that multiplication, identity is 1. That means 0 is adding with any number, we get that number. 0 is subtracting with any number from any number, we get that number. And 1 is multiplying with any number, we get that number. That is 5 into 1 is 5. Therefore, 1 is the additive multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. 5 into 1 by 5, we get 1. Therefore, 1 by 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5. That is the reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal means numerator and denominator interchange, we get the reciprocal. Therefore, there are several 3 basic trigonometric functions and also there are 3 reciprocals. They are cosecant theta, short form cosec theta. That is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore, cosecant theta, short form cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. From figure it is AC. That is the reciprocal of sin by AD. And the reciprocal of second trigonometric function cos theta is secant theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. Therefore, it is short as sec theta. Cosecant short form cosec theta, secant short form sec theta, sin sin short form sin is sin theta short form sin theta, cosine theta short form cos theta, tangent theta short form tan theta. Then cosecant theta short form cosec theta, secant theta short form sec theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, it is hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is secant theta. From figure, it is AC by BC. And tangent theta is the basic trigonometric function. Therefore, its reciprocal is cotangent theta. Tangent reciprocal cotangent. Sin reciprocal cosecant. Cos reciprocal secant. Tangent reciprocal cotangent. Therefore, it is short form is cot theta. Cotangent theta short form cot theta. Is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, it is adjacent side by opposite side. From figure it is BC by AB. Therefore, the basic trigonometric functions are sin theta short form sin theta sin theta and cosine theta short form cos theta, tangent theta short form tan theta, and their reciprocals are cosecant theta short form cosec theta, secant theta short form sec theta, cotangent theta, short form cot theta. Therefore, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Let us consider triangle ABC, right angle at B. The angle at C is theta, that is acute. Therefore, AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side, and AC is hypotenuse. Then sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is from figure it is AB by AC. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, from figure it is BC by AC. And tan theta is equal to is opposite side by adjacent side, from figure it is AB by BC. These are the basic trigonometric functions. Then their reciprocals are the cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta, short form sec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta cos theta, and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, from figure it is AC by AB. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, from figure it is AC by BC. And cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, that is BC by AB. They are the reciprocals. Therefore, we know that there is some relation between basic trigonometric functions and their reciprocals. That means cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore, let us write as cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Clear? That is 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. And 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, 1 by cosec theta, sin theta. 1 by sec theta, cos theta. 1 by cot theta, tan theta. Then cross multiplication we get listen. Cosec theta into sin, cross multiplication. We get sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Then for the second cross multiplication, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. For third one, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. That means the product of any trigonometric function and its reciprocal is 1. That means sin theta into cosec theta 1, cos theta into sec theta 1, tan theta into cot theta 1. 1 by sin theta, cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta, sin theta. 1 by cos theta, sec theta. Therefore, 1 by sec theta, cos theta. 1 by tan theta, cot theta. Therefore, 1 by cot theta, tan theta. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta 1. Cos theta into sec theta 1. And tan theta into cot theta is always equal to 1. Clear? Then, there is another relation between sin, cos and tan. This is opposite. What is sin theta? From figure it is AB by AC. What is cos theta? From figure it is BC by AC. There are two relations. What is tan theta? AB by BC. That is tan. Then dividing sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? AB by AC. What is cos theta? BC by AC. There are two fractions. We know in the previous classes, that means in the 4th, 5th, and 6th, 9th standards or 7th standards, we know that addition or subtraction of two fractions, we take LCM. For addition or subtraction between two fractions, we take LCM of the denominator. For multiplication, multiply the numerator and also multiply the denominator. For division, multiply the numerator with the reciprocal of denominator. That is the basic concept. For addition or subtraction between fractions, we take LCM. For multiplication, multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. For division, multiply the numerator with the reciprocal of the denominator. Then there are two fractions we can divide. Therefore, multiply the numerator with the reciprocal of the denominator. That is equal to AB by AC. In the cross multiplication, that is AC by BC. Therefore, AC cancels. We get what? AB by BC. What is AB by BC? Tan theta. Therefore, relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Take the reciprocal of this one. Sin by cos is reciprocal is cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, tan theta is what? 1 by tan theta. What is 1 by tan theta? That is equal to cot theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta is replaced by sin theta by cos theta. Or sin theta by cos theta is replaced by tan theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Therefore, there is two relations between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. One is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Other one is cos theta by sin theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta. Listen, we know that there are two sin theta and cos theta. Take the square, that is sin square theta, that is sin theta the whole square, but it is read as sin square theta. Sin square theta means sin into theta, not sin into theta. That is sin theta into sin theta is sin theta the whole square, but always write as sin square theta. It is also read as sin square theta. That is the square of sin theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Therefore, same denominator, that is AB square plus BC square whole divided by AC square. Okay, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to AB square plus BC square by AC square is equal to, what is AB square plus BC square? That is AC square by Pythagoras theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, this is right as AC square by AC square. What is it? Any number by that number is 1. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We cannot prove this. That means this is the proof of this relation, but that is not your examination. Only we consider or you know the results, not the proof of that result. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is our result. Therefore, shifting cos square to right, we get minus. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square to right, 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, sin theta is root not to 1 minus cos theta, it is sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta, not to 1 minus cos theta. There are two terms, therefore it is root of 1 minus cos square theta. Shifting that cos sin square on the right, we get to cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. From that result we know that sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, c square theta minus tan square theta is equal to, what is sec theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is a reciprocal of cos. Therefore, BC square by AC square. What is tan theta? Sorry, cosec is AC square by BC square. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB square by BC square. Therefore, same denominator, that is AC square minus AB square by BC square is equal to, what is AC square minus AB square? That is BC square. This what? 1. Therefore, c square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is one result. One result is sin and cos, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second result is sec and tan, therefore c square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Shifting that to minus tan square to right, we get to c square theta is equal to minus it to right, we get to plus 1 plus tan square theta. Shifting 1 to the left, we get a tan square theta. Shifting 1 to the left, we get a minus 1. Therefore, c square theta minus 1. That is tan square theta. Therefore, there are three results. C square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Therefore, c square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is c square theta minus 1. The one is sin and cos, other is sec and tan, then third is what? Cosec and cot. Therefore, another result is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to, what is cosec? Opposite side by hypotenuse is sine. Hypotenuse by opposite side is cosec. Therefore, it is AC by AB. Therefore, it is AC square by AB square minus, what is tan? Opposite by adjacent side, that means AB by BC. What is cot? Adjacent by opposite, that is BC by AB. Therefore, it is BC square by AB square, same denominator. Then AC square minus BC square is AB square. That is equal to AB square by AB square. Any number by that number is 1. Therefore, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Shifting cot square theta to the right, we get cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Shifting on to the left, cot square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, these are the basic results in the case of trigonometry. Clear? Then we can explain all the points of that chapter once again. That means trigonometry means the geometry deals with the triangles and their own properties. One angle of a triangle is 90 degrees. That triangle is known as a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, there are three sides. One is base, other is perpendicular, it is altitude, and the third is the side against 90, it is hypotenuse. Then the relation between these three sides is known as the Pythagorean relation. What is it? Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. That means let us consider a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Then BC is base, AB is altitude, and AC is hypotenuse. Pythagorean relation is BC square, that is base square, plus altitude square, that is AB square, is equal to hypotenuse square, it is AC square. That is the Pythagorean relation. That is BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Two sides are given, we can find out the third side using this relation. Then in the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, consider the angle at C is theta or the angle at A is theta. If the angle at A is theta, BC is opposite. Angle at C is theta, AB is opposite. Therefore, consider the angle at C is theta, that is the Greek alphabet for the notation of an angle. The side against that one is opposite, therefore AB is opposite side. The side adjacent near to that one is adjacent side. Therefore, BC is adjacent side and the hypotenuse always not change, it is AC. Then there are three basic trigonometric functions in the case of trigonometry. They are sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, short form sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta is a ratio between opposite side and the hypotenuse. Cos theta is a ratio between adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Tan theta is a ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. That means sin theta, that is the first basic trigonometric function, it is opposite side by hypotenuse. From figure it is AB by AC. Cos theta is the second one, it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. From figure it is BC by AC. And tangent or tan theta is the third one, that is the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side, that is from figure it is AB by BC. Therefore, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, the angle at C is theta. Therefore, sin theta is AB by AC, cos theta is BC by AC, and tan theta is AB by BC. Their reciprocals are cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Short form are cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Then sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. That therefore it is reciprocal. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. From figure it is AC by AB. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. From figure it is BC by AC. Therefore, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. From figure it is AC by BC. And tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. Therefore, the reciprocal cot theta, cotangent theta, short form cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side is equal to BC by AB. These are the basic trigonometric functions and their reciprocals. Therefore, we know that 1 by sin theta, what is it? Cosec theta. Therefore, 1 by cosec theta, sin theta. 1 by cos theta, sec theta. Therefore, 1 by sec theta, cos theta. 1 by tan theta, cot theta. Therefore, 1 by cot theta, tan theta. Then cross multiplication we get sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, which implies that the product of any trigonometric function and its reciprocal is 1. That is sin theta into cosec theta 1, cos theta into sec theta 1, tan theta into cot theta is always 1. Then we can divide sin theta by cos theta, that is a result of tan theta. Therefore, the relation is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Then the reciprocal is cos theta by sin theta, that is 1 by tan theta, it is cot theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta is replaced by tan theta, or cos theta by sin theta is replaced by cot theta. Then there are three relations between these trigonometric functions. They are sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The sum of these two squares is equal to 1. Therefore, shifting cos square theta to the right, we get sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, sin theta is root of 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Then there is another result between sec and tan. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Shifting that tan square to the right, we get c square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 to the left, tan square theta is c square theta minus 1. Then the relation between next one is between cosec and cot. Therefore, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. These are the relations between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Then listen, the angle at C is theta. Therefore, angle at A is 90 minus theta. Therefore, the angle at C is theta. AB is opposite, BC is adjacent. Angle at A is 90 minus theta, BC is opposite, and AB is adjacent side. And my span is, the hypotenuse is the S. Then, listen, what is sin theta? From figure, it is AB by AC. Cos theta. What is cos to be cos theta? BC by AC. Tan theta